Hi, I'm Dr. Matthew Nuesse, a certified medical examiner here for Exploro. And in this video, we'll go over how to use the Exploro multi-panel urine drug test kit, how to read your results, and what to know about detection windows and accuracy, whether you're using a 5-panel, 7-panel, 12-panel, or other home test version. In this first section, we'll talk about how to use the multi-drug urine test. Each multi-panel test kit is designed to detect multiple drug types at once using the same technology trusted in labs and clinics. Always store the kit in a cool, dry place to maintain accuracy. Use the first morning's urine for the most concentrated and accurate result. Avoid drinking excess fluids before testing, as dilution may affect accuracy. Follow the instructions exactly for precise results. Collect a urine sample in a clean, disposable cup. Remove the test panel from the sealed pouch. Immerse the dip card into the sample for 10 to 15 seconds. Place it on a flat surface and wait exactly 5 minutes before reading the results. In this next section, we'll talk about interpreting the results. Each panel tests for a specific drug that is clearly labeled, such as THC, cocaine, amphetamines, opiates, benzos, and any other depending on your kit. Interpreting the results is straightforward. You'll see 2 fields on each strip of the dip card: the control field, indicated by a C, and the test field, indicated by a T. A line in the control field confirms that the test was performed correctly. Here's what the results mean for each drug. 2 lines, a C line and a T line, no matter how faint, equals a negative result at that cutoff level. Only 1 line, a C line with no T line, equals a positive result at that level. And no C line equals an invalid test. You will need to repeat the test with a new dip card. It is important to note that faint lines still count as negative. The presence of any T line means the drug is below the detection threshold. Now let's discuss understanding detection time and variability. Detection times vary by drug and individual factors like frequency of use, body fat percentage, hydration, metabolism, the drug type, and the dosage. Here are general detection windows for common drugs. These are approximate ranges for occasional use. THC up to 30 days, cocaine 2 to 4 days, opiates 2 to 3 days, amphetamines 1 to 3 days, benzos 3 to 7 days, methamphetamine 2 to 4 days, MDMA or ecstasy 1 to 3 days, and for frequent users, detection times may be even longer. Home testing with Exploro provides reliable results based on the same principles used in professional setting. It is a practical way to stay informed and take control of your health decisions. Thanks for watching, and take care.